until your breath fall. It's been too long now, I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess we live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place
Within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, come a little closer.
It's been too long now, I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me.
So come a little closer.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the lights calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me. Taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. You're leaving with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it, there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me. ticking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. But let's not miss this opportunity. We feel crazy. Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas. Gonna make it alive. Gonna do it again, yeah. Yeah.